Imagine you walking outside, a brand new pair of shoes on. You step in a bucket of paint. You rush home urgently to clean your shoes off. You get home, you get most of the paint off, but you don't get all of it. It's similar to ocean oil spills. How you act? Today I will tell you. Ocean oil spills are seen somewhat frequently and are very hard to recover from. An oil spill is the release of liquid petroleum, hydrogen carbon into the environment, mainly marine ecosystem due to human activity, and is the structure of pollution. Through my extensive research, incredible sites, through the use of Heinz Library and the database I have brought together enough information to educate you on the dangers of ocean oil spills. The streets will cover 3 dangers of ocean oil spills, talking about its impacts on birds, fish, and marine animals, its impact on humans, and its impact on the underwater environment. The first danger of ocean oil spills will be on birds, fish, and marine animals. According to Larry West, ocean spills can be dangerous to birds by harming nesting grounds, and a small amount of oil can be deadly. By coating feathers, oil not only makes flying impossible, but also destroys birds' natural waterproofing and insulation. Birds frantically bring their feathers to restore their natural protectors. They often swallow oil, which can severely damage their natural organs. Fish have the worst. The next animal will be fish. Fish are the next victim and usually have the worst outcomes. When exposed to oil, fish may experience reduced growth, enlarged liver, changes in heart rates, fin erosion, and reproduction impairment. Marine animals are also affected by ocean oil spills. Ocean oil spills are often kill marine animals such as whales, dolphins, seals, and sea otters. Oil can cause blowholes of whales and dolphins, making it impossible for them to breathe. Oil can get into the fur of otters, leaving them exposed to hypothermia. We just talked about how the different animals often are affected by the dangers of ocean oil spills. Now let's talk about how humans are affected. Second, today I will tell you about how humans are affected by the dangers of ocean oil spills. Yao Zong states that the study provides mechanistic insight into detrimental effects of oil and oil dispersants to the respiratory system, and BP levels of people in oil mess up when are exposed to oil. Cleanup workers, animal rescuers, and nearby residents who are exposed to ocean oil spills may exhibit respiratory problems, gastric problems, dermatological problems, and alignments in their near future. People living near ocean oil spills may also have difficulty getting adequate nutrition and water, otherwise maintaining their livelihoods. We just talked about how ocean oil spills affect humans. Now we'll talk about how ocean oil spills affect the underwater environment. Marine algae and seaweed respond variably to oil and oil spills and may result in the die-off of the species. Algae may die off or become more abundant. Most oil can prevent the germination and growth of marine plants. Ocean oil spills danger the underwater environment by sticking to the oil and staying in the habitat too long. With oil staying in the underwater area so long, it affects the food source for all the herbivores down there, making the food source scarce, turning everyday life into a game of survival decisions. Today I talked to you about some dangers of ocean oil spills through birds, fish, and mammals, its effect on humans, and its effect on the underwater environment. Finally, I would like to share with you results of my audience analysis. 10 out of 13 of you said that you knew what ocean oil spills were. 8 out of 13 of you claimed that you understood the dangers of ocean oil spills. Lastly, I would like to leave with you today a question. Would you say that you better understand the dangers of ocean oil spills due to everything that I talked to you about today?